Come test drive the 2014 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, front suspension classification, solid live axle, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.